You be the one detecting, please. I'm tired, I beg.
See, I'm not dictating. I've told you what I want. You know if you tell me what I want to do. You know if you tell me what I want to do. You know if you tell me.
Every time. I mean, every time.
What's every time? What's every time?
See, let me.
What's every time? What's every time? I will disgrace you.
Go ahead now. What's my business? You think I care?
See, I'm not ready for all this. They pretend though.
Now you know.
I'm not ready for all this. That they pretend.
Is it only me? Is it not two of us? Be disgracing two of us.
Which disgracing the two of us? You can't be arguing every time. The world needs to know you. The world needs to know you.
They also need to know
you are not different from others. You are not different.
They will still know you kind of person that you are. They will still know that the kind of person that you are. You always detective. You disturb too much. They will still know. What is it? Every time.
Now you want to tell me what they do. Now you want to control me. I want to go live. Don't go live. Don't go live. If you touch this phone.
Leave me. Off the phone. Off the camera.
I'm live for.
Why you live?
I'm live now.
Why you live?
See, behave yourself. Why
you live?
Behave yourself.
Office. Why you live?
If you touch this camera.
Office. Why you live? Is it not why
I want to discuss you now. Every time you pretend. Every time you want to tell me what I want to do. You want to control me. See, I've been senior for my family.
So what?
You cannot control me. You cannot control me. You don't even control me.
See, I don't like this rubbish. Off this phone. Why you?
I will show you. I will even show your face. May they see you.
Do you know that I
go jam. I go jam person.
I beg. Off that phone.
Off which phone? Let them know you. They want it to know you. I'm not fit for all this thing. You can't be dictated every time. No. I've been mad for this house. I don't be woman. So what? Let me marry you. You don't marry me. You don't marry me. Let me marry you. You don't marry me.
Don't have a say.
Touch the phone. Touch the phone.
Off this camera. Off it. See. You off this camera. Seriously, off it. Why you videoing? Why you live? Why you videoing for what? Off it. Off the camera.
I just say I want to go like they follow me the jack camera.
Why you go like?
You give me another walk. Did you give me another walk?
Off camera. Off it. I don't like this rubbish. Off it. What rubbish? I better stop this rubbish. I don't like it. So
me rubbish.
Stop it. I don't like it.
Me rubbish. What must you argue with me every time?
For what? Okay.
You don't know say me want go live. You don't know. You don't know say me want go live. You want to say me want go live. You don't know. You don't know say me want go live.
Off that phone. Off it. I don't like this rubbish. Every time live. Every time live. I better off it.
See, if I jam now, you go fix this motor.
Then you park your car.
If I jam now, you go fix this motor. If I jam now, you go fix this motor.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. I say water don't pass Gary for her bath. Not be smart to your bath wife. They shout for her bath. Say make he leave Saga alone. Not be smart to my people. I go put the video. Area does scatter. If they shout for him, say me her bath. Make he leave the Osage. Make he leave Saga alone. Say he talk too much. Abati, me you hear what Abat. This your old up past Joro, me Abat. My people, not be smart you. He wife they shout for him. He say make he stop to do this the way they do so. Abat no 1 year word, my people. Not be smart thing. I don't say go see come out tomorrow now. You can't talk say na pranko, arise na lie. Now his wife shout for him. My people not be smart you. I say wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle. How about face your own business? You want to finish everybody for Edo State? Can't you do your own things for Edo State? How about? Why it be say people matter? No, they let you hear what they give for social media. How about go join enter the Onosage matter and not go rest? How about go enter everybody matter for Nigeria? How about not go let person drink water keep cup? So tell na share they come the shout for you now about very soon na fight now come fight come out now for social media. My people not be smart yo, not be smart thing. Una go hear tori, I go put the video more na see am. This one not be waiting that the third person. You need to use your eye to see my people. Not be small thing. But leave people matter alone. But can't you do your own things? Can't you do your own things? But now, wow. They say not the way Musa no go see for gate. Not the way Percy no go see for this social media. But leave people matter alone. But not be you get those states. Not be you get those states. When you know what let people drink water, may they keep cup. If about one grow a page, you go to call genocide again name. Na Instagram want see build now. Na genocide again name. About leave people matter alone. About this your own don't pass Joro me. My people put the video more and see him. Because I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
You be the one detecting, please. I'm tired of that.
See, I'm not dictating. I've told you what I want. You know if you tell me what I want to do. You know if you tell me what I want to do. You know if you tell me. Every time. I mean, every time. What's every time? What's every time?
See, let me.
What's every time? What's every time? I will disgrace you.
Go ahead now. What's my business? You think I care?
See, I'm not ready for all this. They pretend though.
Now you know.
I'm not ready for all this. That they pretend.
Is it only me? It's not two of us. Be disgracing two of us.
Which are disgracing the two of us? You can't be arguing every time. The world needs to know you. The world needs to know you.
They also need to know.
You are not different from others. You are not different.
They will still know you kind of person that you are. They will still know that the kind of person that you are. You always detect you. Disturb too much. They will still know. What is it?
Every time. Now you want to tell me what I want to do. Now you want to control me. I want to go live. Don't go live. Don't go live. If you touch this phone,
leave me.
See,
off the phone.
Off the camera. I'm live for.
Why you live?
I'm live now.
Why you live?
See, behave yourself. Why
you live?
Behave yourself.
Office. Why you live?
See, if you touch this camera,
Office. Why you live? It's not why
I want to discuss you now. Every time you pretend, every time you want to tell me what I want to do, you want to control me. See, I've been sitting for my family.
So what?
You cannot control me. You cannot control me. You don't control me.
See, I don't like this rubbish. Off this phone. Why you?
I will show you. I will even show your face. May they see you.
Do you know that
I go jam. I go jam person.
I beg. Off that phone.
Off which phone? Let them know you. The world need to know you. I'm not fit for all this thing. You can't be dictating every time. I've been mad for this house. I don't be woman.
So what?
Let me marry you. You don't marry me. You don't marry me. Let me marry you. You don't marry me.
Don't have a say.
Touch the phone. Touch the phone. Touch the phone.
Off this camera. Off it. See. You off this camera. Seriously, off it. Why you videoing? Why you live? Why you videoing for what? Off it. Off the camera.
I just say I want to go like they follow me the jack camera.
Why you go like?
You give me another walk. Did you give me another walk?
Off that camera. Off it. I don't like this rubbish. Off it. What rubbish? I better stop this rubbish. I don't like it. So
me rubbish.
Stop it. I don't like it.
Me rubbish. What must you argue with me every time?
For what? Okay.
You don't know say me want go live. You don't know. You don't know say me want go live. You want to say me want go live. You don't know. You don't know say me want go live.
Off that phone. Off it. I don't like this rubbish. Every time live. Every time live. I better off it.
See, if I jam, now you go fix this motor.
Then you park your car.
If I jam, now you go fix this motor.
Park your car.
If I jam, now you go fix this motor.
Park the car.
I pretend. You don't pretend.
Leave me alone, John. I don't like this rubbish. Leave me.
You cannot be dictating every time. Not be every time. The world will not see me. Make would see me. I'm not ready for pretense again. I'm not ready for pretense again.
I have a say.
I'm not ready for pretense again. You have a say. Every time you have a say. Every time you go school, you have a say. You have a say. Touch this phone. If I don't break, now me and you there with marriage. Now me marry you. Touch this phone now. You touch this phone. You touch this phone. Touch the phone.
I'll scatter the phone.
You will scatter my phone. I will destroy your home. I will scatter your home. Don't let me go jack a car.
What will you buy? Park the car.
I don't understand which kind of wahala be this.
Off the phone.
Which kind of wahala be this?
Must you go live? What is it? I better stop this rubbish, John.
I want to eat beans. They tell me say you know if you cook beans.
Why must you beans? I don't get shit to cook beans. Now all cry.